want to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. The more muscle you have, the more your body burns fat. Squats is one of many compound exercises. Compound exercises are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at the same time. That means you will build muscles fast and lose fat at the same time. The simple barbell back squat is a favorite among powerlifters and bodybuilders. Squats are effective for building an insanely strong lower body. Physical benefits include increased hormone release and improved flexibility. We've heard plenty of gym myths around squats that simply aren't true. Here are 7 reasons why you should include squats in your workout routine. 1. Squats increases hormone release. Total body exercises are potent stimulators for muscle building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. Squats involve almost every muscle in the body. They cause a great stimulus for growth. 2. Squats enhances core strength. Squats are typically loaded from upper and lower body strength, either in the form of a barbell or a dumbbell. Include front squats for an increased core demand. Squats should be a staple in building your six-pack. 3. Squats improve your workout efficiency. Introduce some heavy squats into your gym routine and you'll see it works wonders. This total body move will jack up your heart rate and leave your legs sore in no time. 4. Squats reduce your chance of injury. Include both single and double leg varieties to help strengthen your lower body. Squats build your glutes, hamstrings, and quad muscles. 5. Squats increase vertical jump. Squats are a great way to increase your vertical leap. Include both heavy squats to build strength and lighter, quicker reps to boost explosiveness. Absorbing impact translates to fewer injuries as you're coming down from a rebound. 6. Squats create a stronger lower body. Squats utilize the lower body muscle at once, which translates to overall strength. You are also building stability and showing potential leg imbalances since you are not locked into a machine. If you notice your hips shifting from side to side during the movement, work on single leg exercises. 7. Squats improve flexibility. Deep squatting helps to increase range of motion in the entire hip complex. The benefit of deep squat is reduce in back pain and an improved flexibility in daily activities. 8. Switch things up with squat variations. Put a resistance band around your knees. Turn your toes out, or step your feet wider. Lift your heels up and score more activation in the calves. There are countless ways you can switch up your squat. 9. Squat cardio. Switch up the tempo or turn it into a full-on cardio workout. Do squat jumps by doing as many reps as possible in a designated time. As many reps as possible. 10. A support for your bones. Regular strength training helps increase lean muscle mass and creates support for our bones. The femur, thigh bone, is the largest bone in the body and holds onto the largest muscles. The more muscle you have, the more calories and fat you burn throughout the day. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.